Hey traders, welcome back to another episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm your host, Sophia, and today's topic hits close to home for just about every trader in the digital options space. We've all felt it. You place what looks like a picture perfect trade, everything lines up, and then bam, in the final second, the price snaps against you. You're left wondering, was that just bad luck, or did my broker just cheat me? It's one of the most common and emotionally charged questions in the trading world, especially in fast paced environments like digital options, where outcomes are binary and every second counts. So, today we're going to get real about this. We're going to look at the difference between normal trading losses and actual broker manipulation, so you can stop guessing, start verifying, and trade with confidence. Let's dive in. First, don't skip the mirror test. Before we start pointing fingers at brokers, we have to check ourselves first. Because let's be honest, sometimes the issue isn't cheating, it's our own habits. Here are the 5 most common trader-driven reasons for losses. Overtrading, jumping into too many setups without a clear plan. Trading out of boredom or overconfidence. You're setting yourself up for failure. Chasing losses, that emotional spiral of revenge trading after a few red trades. We've all been there, and it's almost always a mistake. Confirmation bias. You've already decided the market will go up, so you ignore every signal that says otherwise. That's not analysis, it's hope in disguise. Emotional trading. Trading when you're frustrated, distracted, or just need a win leads to impulsive decisions. In digital options, where timing is everything, emotions will wreck you. No real strategy. If you don't have a plan you've tested and refined, then you're not trading, you're guessing. And in this game, guesses cost money. Traders on Reddit and other forums talk about this all the time. Some initially blame the broker, but after reviewing their journals or watching their own recordings, they admit, yeah, it was on them. But what if it's not you? When to suspect broker manipulation? Unfortunately, the digital option space isn't squeaky clean. Some brokers rely on shady tactics to make sure you lose. If you're trading with an unregulated or sketchy platform, these are the signs to look for. 1. Last millisecond price reversals constantly. Everyone has the occasional heartbreak loss. But if you're consistently seeing price spike against you right before expiration, over and over, it might not be coincidence. 2. Price doesn't match independent charts. Use tools like TradingView to compare. If your broker's chart consistently deviates from the real market feed, that's a huge red flag. 3. Execution delays or lag. You click buy, but it takes a second or two to actually open the trade. That's unacceptable in digital options, and it can't always be blamed on volatility. 4. Vague or rounded expiry prices. Can't find an exact expiry price with a timestamp? Or it's always just rounded conveniently against you. Not good. 5. Slippage that only hurts you. Slippage is normal, but if it always goes against you and never in your favor, you're not imagining it. That's manipulation. 6. No trade history or price logs. If your broker hides or limits access to detailed trade history, entry/exit prices, and timestamps, they're hiding something. Period. 7. Customer support that gaslights you. You report a problem, and they dodge your questions, deny your evidence, or say, it's just volatility. That's not support, that's a script. What the Reddit community is saying. On Reddit and Discord, you'll find 2 camps. Team Personal Responsibility says, most traders lose because they overtrade, don't follow a plan, or don't understand risk. Team Something's Not Right shares screenshots, video recordings, and chart comparisons showing shady broker behavior and pushes for more accountability. The truth? Both sides make valid points. That's why we recommend a data-driven approach to figure out what's really going on in your trades. How to audit your trading experience. Let's get methodical. If you suspect foul play, here's a 5-step plan to get clarity. Step 1. Record every trade. Use screen recording software like OBS or Loom. Also save screenshots of your entry and expiry prices after each trade. Step 2. Compare with independent charts. Cross-check your broker's price feed with something like TradingView or MetaTrader. See how close or how far off the numbers are. Step 3. Run a test period. Use small trade sizes for a few weeks. Track everything. Are you consistently losing by a pip? Do last second reversals seem suspiciously frequent? Step 4. Ask other traders. Jump into forums or Discord groups. See if others using your broker are seeing the same issues. If they are, it's not just you. Step 5. Audit yourself honestly. Revisit your trading journal. Were you following your plan? Were your entries based on emotion or strategy? If your losses have a pattern, own it and fix it. Don't stay with a shady broker. If you've done the audit and the signs are clear, it's not you, it's them. It's time to switch. The market is already tough. Your platform shouldn't be your opponent. That's why we recommend trading with a broker like crystalballmarkets.com. They offer verified interbank pricing, fast execution, full trade history with timestamped data, transparent rules and withdrawal processes. Whether you're new to digital options or looking for a clean, fair trading environment, they don't play games with your money or your trust. Visit crystalballmarkets.com to trade smart, trade fair, and trade with confidence. Final thoughts. In digital options, it's easy to feel like the market is out to get you. But here's the truth. Sometimes it's a bad trade. Sometimes it's a bad day. And yes, sometimes it's a bad broker. Your job as a trader is to know the difference. So take control. Track your trades. Compare prices. Talk to other traders. And if the numbers point to something shady, walk away. Because the only thing worse than losing a trade is staying loyal to a broker that's rigging the game against you. That's it for today's episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm Sophia. Thank you for listening. If this episode helped you, send it to a fellow trader, leave a review, and don't forget to subscribe for more straight-up insights that help you trade smarter. Until next time, trust your data, trust your discipline, and only trade with brokers who deserve your trust.